Good Friday morning, everyone. Meteorologist Michelle Muscatello here. March coming in like a lion with a 1-2 punch from Mother Nature. We've got snow on the way for late tonight into Saturday and a Sunday night storm that's going to bear watching. The first round of snow, looking at 4 to 7 inches inland, 2 to 4 along the coastline where we could get some snow, some rain mixing in with the snow. The timings from the overnight hours to about the early afternoon on Saturday. Moderate accumulation, some mixing at the coast as I mentioned. Difficult travel and reduced visibility all on the way. A couple of flurries in the air this morning, otherwise dry skies this afternoon, mid to upper 30s. Here comes that storm system. During the nighttime hours tonight, we're dry all the way through midnight, but that snow overspreading our area, and we wake up to moderate to heavy snowfall in the morning hours before it tapers off in the afternoon. That second round of winter weather moves in after 8 o'clock on Sunday. Keep it right here on WPRI.com.